Hi, I'm Damien Roy. Welcome on my guitar music lesson channel. Today we're going to do a fantastic review of the Fender SONIC-22 amp. I find that it's a good compromise between the twin reverb and the supersonic. And I like the supersonic because you don't really need any pedals if you're doing like a blues or blues rock concert. Also for recording it's pretty cool. It has a nice clean sound, and you will see the different patterns, variations of crunch and distortion you have. I'll be using my Epiphone here as a test. And let's start here. So we'll start with the clean sound first of all here. So. There's a really nice, brilliant, clacky sound here that's typically Fender. I really like it here. We have to try now the reverb because that's well known for that there. Feedback here with the guitar, but that's great. It's a really nice clean sound there. Definitely there for playing blues. It's typically from the Fender, so you won't be disappointed on that there. Now let's give a try on. Oh, I forgot here. You got normal and fat sound on the clean sound. So I'll do it here first with. Now with the fats. We got a little boost here and a bigger presence there, so I find that pretty cool if you want to do some dynamics there. That's really cool. So now let's move on to the crunchy sound here. That's really nice there. So you have two different gains here. So I can do it like lighter, of course. Bit more fats. Take that off now. So now if I want to have it a little bit more heavier here, that's a good compromise here. For all the double stops here. More if you want here. It really does the job there. I find so it's a good compromise amp there, and you can add on pedals if you ever need, even for recording in the studio. It's a great amp there. So definitely that's my backup amp there that I use just in case the other amp falls down. And it's really good there on the sound. If you're looking for that, it's a Fender sound. So if you're looking for that there, you can try different after guitars. Here I got like Gibson pickups on this one here, but it's really good there. So it's a good A for this review on this amp here. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please don't forget to subscribe to my guitar lesson channel. Thank you.